when you're really awkward. You do awkward things. So I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing lately. I've been turning everything into a land shark. What's a land shark? It's a shark that's on land, motherfucker. If you want to turn yourself into a land shark, you're gonna need a hand. And if you don't have one, then you're fucked. But you're gonna take your hands and put it on your back like a fin. And now you're a land shark. Yeah, you're a land shark. In the middle of an awkward conversation? Nope, not anymore. Land shark. You'll never fucking catch me, bitch. If you had any friends, then you could turn them into land sharks, but you don't. So cry for a minute, then turn your dog into a land shark. Kermit land shark. Marble land shark. Now I'm gonna show you some pictures I made. Snape, land shark. Hamster, land shark. Apple, land shark. Christian Bale is a land shark. The guy from Ancient Aliens is a land shark. This is a sand shark. Now it's a land shark. The Eiffel Tower is a landmark. Now it's a land shark. Unicorns aren't mythical creatures. They're horses dressed up in land shark costumes. Don't trust those motherfuckers. Now put some helium in a giant air shark. Watch it fly around. Laugh about it. Do a plank on the ground as a land shark. It's so much cooler than regular planking. Land shark. Tree bark. What do you get when you put a land shark with a land shark? Jesus. How do land sharks have sex with each other? Boners. Turtle backpack, turtle land shark. Apologize to your dog. Eat your feelings. Land shark. Cry about the fact that you made this video. Land shark. He said